Welcome to SurveyCTO, the digital data collection platform that helps you collect high-quality data. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to SurveyCTO and walk you through the Server Console. Sign up for a free trial from SurveyCTO.com. Once you've signed up for your SurveyCTO server, log into the Server Console. Once you've logged in, you will arrive on the Design tab of the Server Console. The Server Console is where you manage and control every aspect of the SurveyCTO platform. The Design tab is where you design and manage forms, which are used to collect data. To get started right away, you can choose to add your first form. It's possible to add a sample form with data to start exploring SurveyCTO's features immediately. Otherwise, you might choose to start a new form, which I'll do. Let's give this form a title. You could also start from one of a number of sample forms. The sample forms illustrate SurveyCTO features and recommended programming methods for laying out different types of questions. I'm going to select the Basics form. So here on the screen, all I do is click on Edit Online to launch the Online Form Designer. We have an introductory video to form design also on our YouTube channel, which you should check out, so I won't go into that in detail here. But what you do need to know is that you need to save and deploy in order to make a form available for data collection. Back on the Server Console, it's possible to launch the form we've just deployed as a web form preview. Again, on the Server Console, if you click on the Edit button underneath a form, you'll open that form in the Online Designer. There are also a number of other controls which will become relevant later as you learn more about SurveyCTO and as you add more forms to your Server Console. Below the Forms section, it's possible to administer users who have access to your server. This panel is available at the bottom of all server tabs. Before moving on, I'll add the sample form with sample data, which I mentioned earlier. This is available from the Tools menu at the top of the Design tab. After designing a form, you will want to collect data, which is facilitated on the Collect tab of the Server Console. SurveyCTO allows mobile data collection using our Android app, which you can download from this link. We have a video on installing and setting up SurveyCTO Collect on Android, which you should look at. SurveyCTO Collect for Android will allow you to go completely offline to collect data. Briefly, this is SurveyCTO Collect for Android. I can get a local copy of a blank form for completion over here. And I can start to fill out that blank form on my device. Your other data collection option is Web Forms, which allows you to collect data on any internet-connected device. Web Forms is enabled over here. Click Fill Out to start completing the form. I'm going to quickly breeze through this form recording answers, clicking on Next to get to the next screen of the form. At the end, be sure to leave the form marked Finalized before you save and exit to submit your data to the server. To collect data with web forms, share the link to your web form. By default, users will need a username and password. But you can also enable anonymous access to allow anyone with the link to complete the form. You will also want to keep an eye on the progress and quality of data collection, and you can do that here on the Monitor tab. Track the number of recent submissions in this handy graph. Further down, you can also launch the Data Explorer for visualizing your data. I'll do this now with the sample form with sample data that I added to the server earlier. We have a series of videos on using the Data Explorer, so do take a look at those for a full explanation. The Data Explorer is blank to start with, except for some general information at the top, until we add some summaries. I'm creating some simple field summaries here, just selecting a few fields, and then I click Save Now. And now our summaries display. Back on the Monitor tab, you can also enable the review workflow, in which each submission can be reviewed and approved by you in the Data Explorer as that data is submitted. Further down on the next panel, you can enable automated quality checks. Automated quality checks are statistical checks based on various criteria, which you can choose. Automated quality checks flag problems with data as it's submitted before it becomes a systematic issue in your datasets. In the end, you will want to export your data, and you can do that here from the Export tab of the Server Console. It is possible to export your data at many points in the SurveyCTO system. The most powerful and flexible option is our desktop software, SurveyCTO Sync, which you can download from here. Otherwise, you can export your data from the Your Data panel of the Export tab. You can choose from wide format data, long format data. You could choose to get all submissions, a random subset, or you could choose to get recent data only. Click on the link under Exported Data to get a copy of your data in CSV format. You also have some other export options. You can get a printable version of your form design, a mail merge template for Microsoft Word, and a do file template for Stata data analysis software. It is also possible to launch the Data Explorer from the Export tab of the Server Console. Further down, you can enable a wide array of publishing options. You could set up a Google Sheets publishing connection, you could publish to Fusion tables, and you could also publish to a wide array of destinations using a Zapier publishing workflow or using webhooks. Otherwise, monitor your usage relative to your subscription plan from the Usage panel. You can also open the product documentation, where you can read about all of SurveyCTO's features. If you need help, open the Support Center, which you can do from here. First, try searching for the answer to your question, but if you can't find it, click on Submit Support Request and we'll write back as soon as possible. We're now at the end of this SurveyCTO platform overview, but where to from here to continue your SurveyCTO journey? Well, we have a number of YouTube videos which can guide you. I've also linked you to a number of help resources in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.